We all have that boring white shirt, so today is the time to level it up with these cute button flowers. For this, I'm going to use a green color for the round, and for the petals, I'm going to use this rose pink color and a 3.5 mm hook. We are going to start with a slip knot, and then we are going to start with the slip knot and then chain 6. After you have chained 6, you have to see कि सबसे पहला वाला जो मेरा loop था, I'll insert in there. उसके front loop में मैं insert करूँगी, and then I'll yarn over and pull through it, and I'll get 2 loops on the hook. I'll yarn over and insert through both of them. इसके बाद chain 1 and then do 9 single crochet in this circle. Insert in the circle, yarn over, pull through, and then we have 2 loops, pull through both of them, and then repeat for 8 more times. ये जो ये thread है, tail है, इसको भी हम साथ में लेकर चलेंगे. We'll just put it together और फिर ताकि we don't have to sew it later. Yarn over, and this is the second one, and the third one. वी आर गेटिंग दिस बीच का सर्कल जिसके अंदर हम बटन ऐसे डालेंगे. 4 5 insert, pull through both. Last one, 9th, and then you have this very first stitch. इसमें we are going to do a slip stitch. So insert and then yarn over, pull through this and pull through the first loop. Okay, so our button का बीच का part is ready. We're going to chain 1 and cut this. We can also cut this क्योंकि इसको हमने already अपने chain में ले लिया था. Now take the yarn for the petals. So जहाँ पे भी ये loose end है, इससे पहले का जो भी कोई row है, I'm going to insert in this one. And then I have this thread. तो इसको मैं बस I'll pull it from here. And so I have the tail at the back and I have the working yarn at the front. I'm going to chain 2, first chain, second chain. Now do a treble crochet. For a treble crochet, yarn over once, yarn over twice. और जो ये second loop है, which is this one right here, इसमें I'm going to insert, and again I will include this tail also, and then I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. This is my treble crochet. Yarn over twice and we're going to make 2 more treble crochets, so 3 treble crochets in a circle. One last time, yarn over twice, insert, we are going to insert in the same circle loop, insert, pull through the first 2, then yarn over, pull through the second 2, then again yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, now chain twice, 1, 2, and then no yarn over, just chain twice, and then look for the next stitch, which is this one. इसमें I will insert and I will pull through, and then I'll make a single crochet. Okay, now I will again chain twice. After chaining, I will again make a treble crochet, 3 treble crochets in the next stitch, and that is all you need. Your first petal is ready. We are going to make 4 more, and with that your button flower is ready. So yarn over twice, insert in the next stitch, pull through the first 2, then the second 2, then the third 2, again yarn over twice, insert in this same stitch, pull through the first 2, then the second 2, then the last 2. Though treble crochets are ready, for the third one yarn over twice, insert in the same stitch, pull through once, pull through the first 2, then second 2, फिर last 2. ठीक है, फिर से chain twice, and जो next stitch है उसमें हम single crochet करेंगे. Insert and do a single crochet, and then chain 2. treble crochet के लिए फिर से yarn over twice, insert in the next stitch, pull through the first 2 loops, then the second 2 loops, then the last 2 loops. We are going to make 2 more treble crochets in this. Yarn over twice, insert in this, pull through one from the first 2, then from the second 2, then from the last 2. Repeat the same process. Yarn over twice, pull through the first 2, then second 2, then last 2, and then 3 treble crochets are ready. Chain twice, and in the next stitch insert and pull, and then let's do a single crochet. You can also do a slip stitch. You can also do a slip stitch here. I'm doing a single crochet. Yarn, chain 2, and then the 3 treble crochets in the next stitch. Pehla treble crochet is ready. Then for the second treble crochet, repeat the same process. And then the third treble crochet in the same stitch. Now chain 2 and insert in the next stitch and do a single crochet, then chain twice, and again 4 petals are ready. We are making the last one. Insert, pull through 2, pull through next 2, and the last 2. So we have to pull through thrice to make a treble crochet, and repeat the process again to make the second one. And the last one. Now chain 2 and insert in the very first stitch. जो next stitch है and इसका भी chain 2 करा है. Insert and then do a slip stitch. And with that, all the petals are ready and your button flower is ready in a few simple steps. With this slip stitch, you can chain 1 and pull through थोड़ा सा and उसके बाद just cut it off. बाकी का निकाल लेंगे and then just tighten it a little. And we are going to use the darning needle in order to sew the loose ends. तो इसमें से हम insert करेंगे. और हम बस alternate जो भी बैक साइड के लूप्स हैं उसमें से हम इसे निकाल देंगे. Once you have brought it closer to the green wala stitch, you can just make a knot to tighten it off and see कि आगे से सब सही है. I'm going to secure it twice, so make a double knot, tighten it up and फिर just cut it off. And your crochet button flower is ready.